Hi, we are from subgroup 11. Our title of the informational report is Types of Reproduction. My name is Liang Weining and my metric number is 75406. Types of reproduction is divided into two, which is asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. The first type of asexual reproduction is fission. It is also called binary fission. It is a process whereby an organism being separated into two or more new individuals with similar size. Unicellular cells tend to undergo binary fission by separate themselves through mitosis. For example, this is the binary fission process of sea anemones. The second asexual reproduction type is fragmentation. Fragmentation is the process whereby organisms that break parts of its body into fragments and the fragment regenerate into a whole new individual. These are the organisms that undergo fragmentation. Image at the left side is the sea star. Sea star is trying to prolong its arms and break that part off. The image at the right side is the sea tunicates. Regeneration. Adult hydra also undergo regeneration. After the adult hydra being cut into two, the upper part body of the hydra will regenerate the remaining parts of the body, while the lower parts body of the hydra will also regenerate the remaining part of the body. According to this image, this adult hydra is asexually reproduced into two new individuals. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Chen Baoying with matrix number 74423. Now, I would like to present about the third subgroup of asexual reproduction in animals, which is budding. Budding is a type of asexual reproduction in animals where a new organism is created from a cell outgrowth or bud due to cell division occurring at a specific site. Budding is a characteristic of a few unicellular organisms such as yeast, protozoans, and bacteria. Some metazoa animals, also known as multicellular organisms, reproduce through budding. In this light, we can know that the multicellular organisms such as the Cnidaria species, jellyfish, will reproduce through budding. But how does budding works? In this picture, the green color represents the parent hydra while the yellow color represents the bud. Hydra is a type of freshwater animals. Initially, a bud will form on any sex of their parent's body and then detach from its parents. However, there are situations that the bud remain detached on their parent's body. The fourth subgroup of asexual reproduction in animals is parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis involving a female gamete without fertilization, or more accurately, we can say that parthenogenesis is an incomplete fertilization. In this diagram, you can see that parthenogenesis is divided into two subgroups, which are natural parthenogenesis and artificial parthenogenesis. Natural parthenogenesis is divided into two again, which are complete parthenogenesis and incomplete parthenogenesis.
Hello everyone, I'm Chai Chiayi with matrix number 74358. Now I'm going to present about sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is another type of reproduction method in animals. Sexual reproduction requires the combination of two haploid reproductive cells to form a diploid individual. Sexual reproduction in animals consists of three fundamental steps, which are gametogenesis, mating, and fertilization. Gametogenesis occurs in the gonads, which are testes in males and ovaries in females. Mating, the step in between these two processes, gets eggs and sperm close enough together so that fertilization can occur. The simplest distinction in mating systems is whether fertilization occurs externally or internally. One of the subgroups of sexual reproduction is external fertilization. For external fertilization, animals shed eggs and sperm into the surrounding water. The sperm swim to the eggs. These animals, such as aquatic invertebrates, fish, and some amphibians, they release huge numbers of sperm and eggs to overcome large losses of gametes in the water. The other subgroup of sexual reproduction is internal fertilization, whereby the male releases sperm into the female's reproductive tract, where the eggs are fertilized. Copulation is the physical joining of male and female accessory sex organs. Accessory sex organs include a variety of glands, tubules, ducts, and other structures. Furthermore, hermaphroditism occurs in animals where single individuals may produce both sperm and eggs. Most invertebrates often are hermaphroditic. Earthworms, tapeworms, and snails, just to name a few. Hermaphrodites may self-fertilize or fertilizing each other and both producing offspring. That's all. Thank you.